We'll handle your website so you can handle your business. SetMySite gives you a dedicated website expert with their direct phone line and personal email. Need website design changes? We're on call to do it. Use our digital sticky note tool to leave instructions and attachments right on your site. We'll see where you clicked, what you want, and get it all done for you. Trouble with WordPress updates? No problem. We'll update your plugins, theme, and WordPress on a daily basis. If any issues or errors arise, we'll fix those too. Concerned about website security? We provide 24/7 protection and response. You'll get daily website backups, malware scans, malware removal, hacker defense, uptime monitoring, and more. With SetMySite, you're all set.